Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your own chips at home the healthy way, especially if you are doing keto. These are the tortillas that I will be using. They are the Extreme Wellness, and these are only 4 carbs per tortilla. And I got the tomato basil. I couldn't find regular tortillas without flavor, but these are pretty good. And these only have 4 carbs per tortilla, like I told you. And I purchased these at Walmart, and these were about like $3.50. Let me tell you guys, these are a really good alternative if you love chips like me. I love chips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it up and show you guys how I'm going to make chips in the air fryer really quick. So I'll start by cutting up little strips. All depends how you want your tortillas. So this is the way I will be cutting mine, just little strips. You're just trying to make like a tortilla, that's all. And let me tell you guys, my son is 3 years old and he loves these, and what better way to make super healthy chips for your kids. And he's like, "Mommy, give me some guac with it." So these are pretty good, pretty healthy, because you know exactly what's in them. So what I'll do next, so you cut them up like this, and what I'll do is I'll spray them with coconut oil. I've seen people spray them with olive oil, avocado oil, but all I have is coconut oil, so I'll spray them. And people usually add salt, pepper, or any other seasoning, but since these are already basil with tomato, I'm not gonna add any seasoning because they're already seasoned. And the reason why I'm adding some coconut oil is just to help them crisp up a little more. And you have to have your air fryer ready at 350. So here's my air fryer, is at 350, and you're just gonna insert your chippies in there, and I'll show you guys how they look. Okay, so this is the way they look, and like I say, it's gonna be 350, and you're gonna make sure you put it 8 to 10 minutes, but you're gonna be checking them because they will crisp up pretty quick. So yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so the timer just went off, and I'm gonna show you guys how they come out. This is the way they look, and they actually look pretty good. Let me tell you guys, this is, like I said, this is mine and my son's favorite snack. We'll have them with guacamole or with some salsa, and they are definitely crispy, and I can use this as a taco salad, and I won't have to buy the very expensive Quest chips because I feel like they're super expensive. So this is what they look like, and this is what they sound. It's still pretty hot, but it's still crispy, like a real chip, you guys. So you can eat this with guacamole, salsa, queso dip, and you can even have it with like a taco salad. So yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, and here's the final result. This is how I will serve it, and this would be a super great snack, you guys, if you're on keto or not keto. But this is a really good snack that my son always asks me for. So super easy. These chips were made in the air fryer, super crispy and delicious. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.